video. I've acquired a tripod, and let's hope this goes well because I don't know, it's new. I'm very finicky with it, but today we're gonna be, I guess, just kind of showing off this Daredevil dynamite that I got at an estate sale for like $3. All it needed was new filter, new belt, and boom. The brush roll is nice and clean, the bristles are good. I took it apart completely and restored it. And again, I just kind of, it's dirty because I used it, but replaced the filter in there with just one I got at Walmart. Surprisingly, they still sell them. It was probably dead stock, so that probably makes more sense. As some of you guys know, it has the extendable wand for, it's basically a bagless version of a broom thing. Cord is nice and long on this thing, and it has a nice little cord hook. Let's see, let me make sure I'm still in frame. I'm trying to learn. Right here is out of frame, so I'll try and stand back here. Okay, so go ahead and just give it a bit of a run. Alright, we're back with a new hairstyle and some dirt to vacuum up. So, not dirt, but just some paper to show you guys how to clean it. And how to clean it. Alright, let's go. Handle that very well. No piled, pushed it, and then sucked it up so fast that it got clogged. So, yikes. Let's see how it clogged. No? Oh. Clogged. Yeah, the hose. I don't know if it came out. Also showcase the little hose that it has. It did pick up most of it. This thing has a HEPA filter in there. I don't know what it means by Dynamite Plus, but yeah, bagless quick vac, basically just the bagless version of the room vac. And now this thing was empty, so it did pick up some dirt, but such a good little vacuum. I mean, this thing is a beast to push. Yeah, it runs nice and smooth too. There is just a little cord hook on the back. And then for storage, just pop that back down. How awesome is this little machine? Well, alrighty guys, I guess that's the end of the video. Stay tuned for more. I think up next might be a shark. Bye.